Embark on your path to a career in Austria. If you are an ambitious job seeker, ready to delve into the wealth of professional opportunities in one of the Europe's most dynamic and prosperous nations, you have found your ideal destination. In this video, we will guide you through the key aspects of the Austrian job seeker visa application process, ensuring you are well prepared to kickstart your career aspirations in this beautiful nation. During your job seeker visa period, which typically lasts for 6 months, you will have the chance to actively search for employment, attend the interviews, and immerse yourself in the Austrian job search market. And don't worry, we will provide you with the valuable tips on job searching, networking, and more. Plus, we will cover the essential documents you need, the eligibility criteria, and the application process step by step, making sure you have all the information you need to succeed in your quest of Austrian job of your dreams. A job seeker visa is a temporary visa that allows you to enter in a foreign country to search for employment opportunities. Austria offers a job seeker visa program for non-EU EEA citizens to stay in Austria for up to 6 months to look for a job. If successful, you can apply for a work visa for long-term stay. Benefits of a job seeker visa. First, exploring the job market without committing upfront. One of the biggest benefits of the Austrian job seeker visa that it allows you to explore the job market without having a job offer upfront. This means that you can take your time to find a right job for you, without feeling pressured to accept the first offer that comes under your way. This is especially beneficial if you don't know what kind of job you want to do, or if you are moving to Austria from a different country and need some time to adjust. It can also be helpful if you are looking the job in a specialized field, as it can give you more time to find the right opportunity for you. Second, networking with potential employers. Another great benefit of the Austrian job seeker visa is that it gives you the opportunity to network with potential employers. This can be done by attending job fairs, industry events, and meetups. You can also reach out to company directly for inquiring them about the open positions. Networking is a great way to learn more about the job market and network with the people who can help you to find out a job. It can also help you to stand out from other job applicants. Third, improving language and cultural skills. If you are not fluent in German, the Austrian job seeker visa can be a great help in improving your language skills. By living and working in Austria, you will be immersed in the language, which will help you to become more fluent and comfortable. Improving your German language skills will help you to make it more easier to find out a job and to communicate with your colleagues and clients. Preparation for job seeker visa. First, job search. Austria has a strong economy and low unemployment rate and has a competitive job market. Additionally, many jobs in Austria require German language skills. Second, financial requirements. To apply for an Austrian job seeker visa, you must have at least Euro 1000 in savings to support yourself during your job search. This can be a challenge for people who are moving to Austria with a low standard of living. Third, meeting additional criteria. In addition to the financial requirements, you must meet the following criteria to apply for the Austria job seeker visa. You must have a valid passport and health insurance. Bachelor's degree or equivalent education is required. Work experience of at least 6 months is required. It is important that you do not have any criminal record. Also, you need to provide additional documents like a letter of motivation and the proof of accommodation. Tips for overcoming the challenges of an Austrian job seeker visa. Embarking on a journey with Austrian job seeker visa can be an exciting adventure, but it may also come with its fair share of challenges. In this comprehensive guide, we will share valuable tips and strategies to overcome these hurdles and to make the most of your Austrian job seeker visa experience in Austria. By equipping yourself with these insights, you will be better prepared to navigate the path to success in one of the Europe's dynamic job market. First, start your job search early before you arrive in Austria. Second, tailor your resume and cover letter as per the job market in Austria. Third, network with people in your field. Fourth, take German language classes. Fifth, Be patient and persistent in your job search. Eligibility for an Austrian job seeker visa. Let's delve into the essential criteria and qualifications that determine your eligibility requirements for an Austrian job seeker visa. Following things will make you eligible for an Austrian job seeker visa. First, be a non-European citizen. Second, possess a valid passport. Third, demonstrate financial support, at least Euro 1000 savings per month. Fourth, have health insurance coverage while in Austria. Fifth, maintain a clean criminal record. Sixth, show required proof of skill and qualifications required for job hunting. Point system for Austrian job seeker visa. To qualify for an Austrian job seeker visa, you need to earn a total of 70 points for various categories. Education. Points based on your level and relevance of your degree or diploma. Graduation from an institute of higher education having minimum of 4 years of duration will give you 20 points. And in the subjects like mathematics, information technologies, natural sciences and technology will give you 30 points. Postdoctoral qualifications will give you 40 points. Work experience per year will give you 20 points. 6 months of work experience in Austria will give you 10 points. English language skills, 10 points. You can use the Australian government's points calculator to assess your eligibility for the job seeker visa. Applying for an Austrian job seeker visa. To apply for an Austrian job seeker visa, gather these documents. Completed visa application form, valid passport, passport size photo, proof of financial support, bank statements, sponsors letters or savings account, proof of health insurance, proof of relevant skills and experience like your resume, your education and your work experience related documents. Cover letter explaining your interest in working in Austria and your suitability for the job seeker visa. Additional documents like a birth certificate, medical certificate or police clearance certificate may be required depending on the circumstances. Check the Austrian embassy or consulate website in your home country for more details. Processing time for an Austrian job seeker visa. The processing time for an Austrian job seeker visa can range from 4 to 8 weeks, depending on factors like embassy workload and complexity of applications. If you have urgent travel plans, please contact the embassy for knowing the expedite process. Cost of an Austrian job seeker visa. The cost of an Austrian job seeker visa is Euro 150, payable when you submit your application. Additional expenses may include the cost of health insurance and proof of accommodation. The total cost varies based on individual circumstances. Austria's shortage occupation list. Austria's shortage occupation list is a list of occupations that are high demand in Austria. The list is updated regularly and it can be found on the website of the Austrian Ministry of Labour. If you are thinking about applying an Austrian job seeker visa, then I highly recommend it. Austria is a beautiful country with a strong economy and a higher standard of life. There are many opportunities for skilled workers in Austria, and the job seeker visa program is a great way to explore the options and find a job that is right for you. For more details, please check the link in the caption.